I just sewed together my metered squares that I was trying to do in this Naptime Siesta. This is a purplish color. I'm not sure the name of it. It does have a small design to it. And I'm going to add blue to it. This blue is called Blue. And it is a Naptime Siesta. And it's really, really soft. So I have it on my hook. And I'm going to come into this corner center. Nope. This corner center. And I'm going to first pull it through. So I want the string that I'm adding on to be up front. So I just pulled it through. So there's a chain one. And now I'm going to do three singles right here. And now a single all the way around. When I get to the corners, it's going to be three singles in the corners. And I think next time I'm going to do doubles. I'll switch to doubles because those go quicker and I don't fight them as much. Or at least do like half doubles to make it a little taller for the stitches. And I can't move too much because the whole inside of my yarn came out, or a lot of the inside of my yarn came out, and it's right here. So I don't want to move too much and tie that up. But I hope everyone's doing good. I'm making fish sandwiches for dinner. See if I can do this a little easier when I take off my glove. Went and got mail or packages mailed out today. I worked on the Sesame Street blanket. I worked on the red blanket for Brittany. Dang it. On the Sesame Street blanket, I have got a couple different squares going. They're not all complete yet. And I'm going to try doing it to where like it's 4 rows of the pinkish in the middle, and then it goes to white, and then like another square is going to be like every other color. And I'm using my Abby Cadabby yarn. So that one is for Kimberly Schminsky. I don't know. I can't say her last name. And I'm not looking at it to know if I'm saying it right. But I will see. Widow on Fire is who she is. So the side that is facing me is going to be the front side. But this side doesn't look too bad. Those seams are, that stuff is just seamed in the middle. So Tiffany Hansen was just live. I'll have to go back and watch it. So. Ray has a load going to Ontario, California. He doesn't like driving in California. Okay. Oh, it turned a little bit. Stupid device driver update thing. Okay, so this one should be the corner one, so 3 single crochets. Yeah, one more. Sorry. So 3 single crochets. Ugh. Once I get this pattern going, and because now that I hooked them together, the pattern's a little bit different. But once I get it going, I will probably crochet it a little bit faster. But I keep thinking double crochet in my head, and I'm only doing a single crochet. So that's throwing me off some. Been looking at some different patterns and stuff lately. On this row, I am almost halfway done. And I need to get my jacket off because I'm feeling heated. It rained a lot last night, so let me grab a Tootsie Roll since I'm away from that string for a minute. And I think I need that red right over there. So I'm going to be moving some stuff. So what's everyone been up to lately? Are you achieving your goals? You just have to take one step at a time, little by little. Hey, it just dawned on me. It was May, and I need to set my goals again on my whiteboard down there. Today is May 4th. Let the force be with you. And now I have to figure out like how many rows of blue I'm going to do before I switch off. So I've been on 12 and a half minutes. Thanks for watching me. Thanks for joining. Thanks for being there to support me. See how it's turning out? This one's a little tough to get into because it's the knot in the center. So I guess I'll just jump over here to this next stitch.